Question number 1. Put log of secant x plus tan x is equal to t. Now derivating on both the side, 1 by secant x plus tan x into secant x tan x plus secant square x into dx is equal to dt. 1 by secant x plus tan x into, we are taking as common secant x, so we get tan x plus secant x into dx is equal to dt. So secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x it cancel. So finally we will get secant x into dx is equal to dt. d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. d by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x tan x. So from these three formulas we get secant x into dx is equal to dt. Now secant x into dx is equal to dt we can write, and log of secant x plus tan x is equal to t we can substitute in given equation. So integral secant x and dx is equal to, I am writing dt, and log of secant x plus tan x is equal to t. So t into dt. Integral x into dx is equal to x square by 2 plus c. So t dt is equal to t dt is equal to t square by 2 plus c. But what is t? T is log secant x plus tan x. So just substitute. So log secant x plus tan x square by 2 plus c is the answer. Now second one is integral 1 by x log x of log x into dx. So first put log of log x is equal to t. Now derivating on both the side, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. So log of log x 1 by log x into 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So dx by x log x is equal to dt. So instead of dx by x log x is equal to, we can write dt from here. So dx by x log x is equal to dt, and log of log x is equal to t we can substitute. So integral dt by t. d by integral dx by x is equal to log mod x plus c. So from this formula we get log mod t plus c. But what is t? Log of log x. So log of mod log x plus c is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.